Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished you could turn your emails directly into organized tasks inside Asana, this video is for you. Today I'll show you exactly how to email tasks straight into Asana projects, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to streamline your workflow and never lose track of important requests or ideas again. First, log into your Asana account, head over to the Asana website, enter your email address, and then your password. Once you're inside, you'll land on your homepage. Now, choose the project where you want your emailed tasks to appear. Just click on an existing project from your dashboard to enter its workspace. Next, look for the project's menu or drop-down options at the top of the page. From here, click on Import and select Email. This is where the magic happens. Asana will generate a unique email address for that specific project. Think of this address as your direct line into the project. Every time you email something to this address, Asana will automatically turn it into a task inside that project. So here's how to use it. Open your regular email client, on whether it's Gmail, Outlook, or anything else. Write a new email with the task name as the subject line. In the body, you can add a description, extra details, and even a due date. Once you're happy with it, send it to that unique Asana project email address. That's it. The task will instantly appear inside your project, ready for you and your team to track, assign, and complete. Each Asana project has its own unique email address. Always include the task name in the subject line for clarity. Add descriptions and due dates in the body to keep your team aligned. It's a super simple way to keep your inbox and your projects connected. And that's how you email directly into Asana in 2025. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for more productivity tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.